on the fucking jump before I do it. I'm such a freaking loser, bro. Oh my god.
Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick. I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick till that nigga can finish, and his dick making green. It tastes just like spinach. Dude, I love when they send me all the news. I had to make him nut if his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like he's cleaning out gutter. Dick bigger than a thing of butter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gay. We like dick, and I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fuck my butt till I shit and his dick was dropped on my stick.
False. You know what I'm saying?
I know.
If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They pie my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum start dripping. I took a bite of his ass, it tastes like lemon pepper chicken. He throw me up
What the
in
drop?
and my booty flipping. He ducking his balls in my booty like he's Scottie Pippen. Met the nigga last night. Then I rolled his dick like a bite. He's so thick, he looks like the dyke, but that's okay, cause I think his name's Mike Jordan. He fucked me while recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest nudes I've received. I love when I receive 3 big balls. Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick. I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick till that nigga can finish, and his dick making green. It tastes just like spinach. Dude, I love when they send me all the news. I had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like he's cleaning out gutter. Dick bigger than a thing of butter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gay. We like dick, and I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fuck my butt till I shit and his dick was
Yes, bro. Yes, I beat it.
GG,
Let's go.
GG.
Let's fucking go. I beat my first demon reflex champion.
Oh my god.
Reflex
Wow, bro.
champion. Okay, I took 2.2k attempts, almost 2.3k, but that's only on 2.1. I have more on 2.2 that I need to count up. Look,
I was
those
about to
uploaded.
say, dude,
yeah, I did
holy
not take
shit.
2.3k attempts. I
Holy
have like,
shit, man.
I think I have like 5k more. I'll see exactly how much later. Whatever. Okay. Ah, fuck. Awesome level. Awesome. Helper. That was the first level I ever liked. Medium demon. Okay, let's fucking go.